the rains may have temporarily halted in Hyderabad, but what you see behind me is pretty much how the rains have impacted low-lying areas in the city. This is a bridge that connects Begumpet to Balkampet area, and you can see that the disaster response force along with the GHMC workers are at work. You can also see that the water level is knee deep, and there is a JCB that is stuck here which is trying to effectively drain out the excess water from this. The bridge right now, this underpass in fact has not been operational since the last couple of hours, affecting the traffic movement nearby. Most of the areas in the city that had been severely waterlogged have been cleared off, but these are effectively areas which are in the higher parts of the city. But the lower parts of the city, such as this one, are still inundated, and it is going to take them another 6 to 7 hours perhaps to completely allow traffic movement through this underpass after discharging the water and draining it off completely. They are waiting for equipment as we speak through suction pumps to drain out this particular water. The nearby slum areas and other dwellings have also been affected by rainfall. Fortunately, there have been no casualties as such. We are awaiting a response from the GHMC on the same. But what you can see is that rains have also brought in joy for the school kids here, as schools in Telangana are shut. In Hyderabad predominantly, schools have been shut in the wake of rain situation. An orange alert remains in place. It could be upgraded to a red alert depending on how the rain situation plays out in the next couple of hours. Now, we've arrived at a situation like this mainly because it has been raining continuously since the last 24 hours. And if the situation like this persists, then the state government will perhaps also look at extending the school holidays. That is also being under consideration, active consideration at the moment. Several areas in the city are cleared of waterlogging, but again, this particular area, and this is an area which repeatedly sees accumulation of rainwater because of the low-lying region that it is in. And residents here say that the response team has been here since morning to clear off the water. Fortunately, like I said, no casualties as of now, but we are awaiting an exact detail on the number of updates and regarding what really is going to play out in the next 24 hours from the Met Department.